99% of B2B agencies are playing a losing game. They scrape massive lists, blast the exact same generic template, and permanently burn their domains in a matter of weeks. The era of blind volume is dead. Today, I'm going to show you the architecture of a zero-employee machine. We are going to build an automated workflow that monitors high-intent buying signals on LinkedIn and uses AI to write hyper-personalized outreach in seconds. Let's build your infrastructure. The secret to high-ticket acquisition isn't scraping millions of leads, it's scraping the right triggers. We use Phantom Buster to monitor our target accounts. Look at this setup. We are tracking a specific signal. Company is hiring. When a company opens a new position, like a VP of sales or a marketing director, that is a massive buying signal. They have an immediate operational bottleneck, and more importantly, they have budget. We extract this exact moment safely and push the data straight into our backend without lifting a finger. Here is the brain of the operation inside Make.com. We set up a webhook to catch that hiring signal the moment it happens. But instead of just dumping this raw data into a spreadsheet for a human to process, we route it directly into OpenAI. We are bridging the gap between raw data and personalized sales copy. We don't want a robot sounding like a robot, which means the prompt architecture we build here is the most critical part of this entire system. Let's dissect the engineering behind the prompt. Most people fail here because they give generic instructions. We give the AI a strict senior-level directive from the Silent Acquisition Protocol. Role: Senior B2B Outbound Specialist. Look at the rules. No generic greetings. The first sentence must acknowledge the exact hiring signal. The second sentence pitches our infrastructure as the solution for their new hire. Under 50 words. Tone: direct and zero fluff. We are injecting our exact sales framework into the machine's logic. Now we finalize the pipeline. But before we push this data, your infrastructure needs to be flawless. We don't just dump leads into a blank page. We set up a clean database formatted for execution. Lead name, company, the exact trigger signal, and our AI outbound copy. Inside Make, we map the OpenAI output directly into this specific column. This ensures your SDRs or your CRM can pull the data cleanly. Let's run the execution. Watch the data flow, and here is the output in our database. Look at this copy. It's highly relevant, acknowledges their growth phase, and pitches the solution with zero friction. This system runs 24/7 in the background. If you want to build real B2B infrastructure, check the first link below to get instant access to the Silent Acquisition Protocol and my exact tech stack. Subscribe to the lab for more weekly architecture breakdowns. See you on the inside.